All over the world, the university theater has served a significant role as a breeding ground and a nurturing place for young talents, skills, and craftsmanship. The university theater has also served as a staging ground for professional careers in theater, film, and television. Aware of the role theater plays in fostering dialogue and understanding between cultures, people from universities and colleges coming from different parts of the world saw the importance for sharing knowledge, best practices, and expertise. In 1994, the International University Theatre Association, IUTA, was established at the Université de Liège in Belgium, spearheaded by its founding members and now led by its executive committee. The IUTA mission is asserting the specificity of theater at university, developing solidarity and cooperation between university theaters around the world, structuring exchanges among the different members, and establishing regular communication among them. We envision IUTA in exchange and collaboration between university theaters as well as contacts with amateur and professional theaters. IUTA holds a World Congress every 2 years. There have been 12 congresses since 1994. The World Congress focuses on themes related to university theater in general, repertoire and performance practice, research, pedagogy, cross-cultural influence. The first IUTA Congress was way back 1994 in Liège, Belgium, followed by Quebec, Canada, Dakar, Senegal, Krakow, Poland, Olympia, Greece, Urbino, Italy, Pueblo, Mexico, Leicester, United Kingdom, Minsk, Belarus, Liège, Belgium, Colombia, Moscow, Russia, and in 2020, in Manila, Philippines. In 2011, the IUTA Philippines Center, headed by IUTA Vice President Arsenio J. Lizaso, hosted the first IUTA conference and workshop at Miriam College. This conference, filled with various theatrical activities, was attended by international and regional delegates. We had over 500 delegates comprised of theater practitioners, educators, and students. After the success of the first conference in the Philippines, the IUTA Philippines Center is now ready to host the 13th World Congress of the International University Theatre Association. The 13th World Congress of the International University Theatre Association will be held in Manila, Philippines. Spearheaded by the IUTA Vice President, who is also the President of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, Mr. Arsenio J. Lizaso.
I would like to invite you to the 13th World Congress of the International University Theatre Association. This is the first time the World Congress is going to happen here in Manila, Philippines. There will be a lot of performances, presentations, discussions, and workshops. You will meet and share ideas with exciting people involved in university theater from around the world. The theme for this Congress is the university theater as a social and cultural agent. We want to look at theater as a means of discussing and finding solutions for social problems, a way of understanding what people care about and desire. So, see you in Manila.
For more details on the 13th World Congress of IUTA, please visit our Facebook page, IUTA Philippines Center, or email us at iutaphilippinescenter@gmail.com.